Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Hub. In the previous class, we discussed Kohlberg's moral development theory. In today's class, we will study another important topic in a child development and pedagogy, which is intelligence and multiple intelligence theory. This topic helps us understand different abilities and talents among students. Understanding intelligence is very important for teachers because it helps them design teaching methods that supports different learning styles. So let us begin today's session and understand intelligence and Gardner's multiple intelligence theory in a detail. Intelligence is one of the most important concepts in a child development and pedagogy. Teachers often observe that some students are good at mathematics, some at language, some at music, and some at sports. This shows that intelligence is not limited to one ability but included different types of abilities. Understanding intelligence helps teachers identify students' strengths and learning styles. Meaning of intelligence. Intelligence refers to the ability to learn, understand, think, and solve problems effectively. It, in, it involves reasoning ability, problem solving skills, logical thinking, learning from experience, adapting to new situations. In simple words, intelligence is the capacity to understand and respond effectively to the environment. Definitions of intelligence. Different psychologists have defined intelligence in different ways. Alfred Binet. Intelligence is the ability to judge, understand, and reason properly. David Wechsler. Intelligence is the global ability of an individual to act purposefully, think rationally, and ideal effectively with the environment. This definition shows that intelligence includes thinking, reasoning, and problem solving abilities. Characteristics of intelligence. Important characteristics of intelligence. Intelligence helps individuals solve problems. It helps in a learning from experience. It allows individuals to adapt new situations. Intelligence involves reasoning and logical thinking. Intelligence is influenced by both heredity and environment. Types of intelligence. Psychologists have proposed different theories about intelligence. Some theories suggest one general intelligence, while others suggest multiple types of intelligence. One of the most popular theories is Howard Gardner's multiple intelligence theory. This theory explains that individuals have a different kind of intelligence. Howard Gardner's multiple intelligence theory. Howard Gardner, an American psychologist, proposed that theory of multiple intelligence in 1983. According to Gardner, intelligence is not a single ability but a combination of multiple abilities. Each individual possesses different types of intelligence in a different degrees. This theory helps teachers understand that students learn in a different ways. Types of multiple intelligence. Gardner defined 8 types of intelligence. First, linguistic intelligence, ability to use language effectively. For example, writers, teachers, journalists. Second, logical mathematical intelligence, ability to think logically and solve mathematical problems. For example, scientists, mathematicians. Third, spatial intelligence, ability to think and images and visual objects. For example, architects and designers. 4. Musical intelligence, ability to understand rhymes, music, and sound. For example, musician singers. Fifth, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, ability to use body movements skillfully. For example, athletes, dancers. 6. Interpersonal intelligence, ability to understand and interact with others. For example, teachers, leaders. 7. Intrapersonal intelligence, ability to understand oneself and one's emotions. For example, philosopher, psychologist. 8. Naturalistic intelligence, ability to recognize pattern in a natures. For example, farmers, environmentalist. Now, educational implications. Gardner's theory has important implications for teaching. Teachers should recognize different ability in students, use varied teaching methods, encourage students' strength and talents, provide diverse learning activities. This approach helps students learn more effectively. Important exam point. Intelligence is the ability to learn and solve problems. Intelligence is influenced by heredity and environment. Howard Gardner propounded the multiple intelligence theory. Gardner identified 8 types of intelligence. This theory empathizes individual differences among learners. So, in today's class, we discuss the concept of multiple intelligence and Howard Gardner's theory. We learn that intelligence is not a single ability but included different type of ability that vary among individuals. Understanding this theory helps teachers recognize students' strengths and provide effective learning opportunities. If you found this class helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more classes in the CTET CDP complete series. In the next class, we will discuss learning and its theories, another important topic for a CTET. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next class.